Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I am just coming on here real quick to explain what I'm doing. I had an idea in my head and I wanted to, kind of put it down on paper to get it out on paper, as they say, to see how it would come out before I either made a doll or did it on a canvas. I'm a sucker for those flowers with the eyeballs in them, that you see all the Halloween time. So I wanted to do kind of I don't know, a weird kind of drawing sketch kind of thing. And I wanted to play around with some flowers in the hair, and I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do. So I figured I'd turn my camera on and you guys could kind of watch what I'm doing. So when you see the final, whenever I decide to do, you guys will know where it came from. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and you guys are creating as well. And yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. Like I said, it's just something I decided to put the camera on where I usually would just sit here and draw without my camera. I will be back with regular videos maybe later on today or tomorrow. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. And if you're interested in any of the jewelry that I've made or resin cats or paintings, or if you want to be join my membership, all the links are down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.